Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for the chance in my presentation. I'm glad to see you all. My name is Emanuel Fatasha. I'm from 5APA class. Today in this opportunity, I want to present about giving and receiving feedback. Defining feedback. 1. What is feedback? 2. How can feedback help build positive relationship in the workplace? 3. How can feedback hinder the building of positive relationship in the workplace? What is feedback? Feedback is company commentary on the performance of an employee or employer, comments on the company managerial performance. Feedback is not the same as performance review or annual evaluation of employers. Ideally, feedback is direct, accurate, fair, clear, and oriented to an action that occurs as needed rather than following a schedule. Feedback can be either postplace immediately rather than waiting for multiple faults or success to accumulate. A quick response or response will greatly help both the employee and the company when it fails or succeeds in meeting expectations. Delayed feedback will have a domino effect on the problem at hand. Accuracy can build trust between managers and employers. In addition, accuracy also prevents the possibility of pointless. They are based on fact, hearsay, or certain assumption. Before giving feedback, especially negative feedback, it is important to do your research as a provide question and have clear evidence of the problem at hand. How can feedback help with positive relationship in the workplace? Creating a positive relationship is needed in a field. Relationship can have an effect on work time or even finish before the office deadline. So, how do you develop positive relationship in the world of work? Here are tips developing positive relationship in the world of work. 1. Maintaining communication. The characteristics of coworkers are different from one another. You can do as assessment to know how to communicate properly and effectively according to each character. Know the background and cultural characteristic. Now, by finding out their background, you can keep communication running smoothly according to their habits. 2. Learn to give and take. The ability to provide feedback helps by learning to give and take. You can also see different perspectives and take positive things from the differences. 3. Learn to trust more. Trust in and with coworkers, trust and respect will make your relationship with colleagues and business partners last a long time. 4. Develop a sense of empathy. Did you know that there has always been an assumption that people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them emphasis? Empathy means spreading another it by offering support and developing mutual trust. Building of positive relationship in the workplace. Feedback is one of the most effective ways to improve employee performance in a company, but there are several things that hinder positive relationship in the following workplace, including 1. Unable to control emotion. Negative feedback can be conveyed more healthy if you are in a moody mood. 2. Not receiving input when there is input from other, not accepting and not listening even strengthens his own arguments. Fraud, namely violating existing rules in the company, thus harming many people. 4. Absence of cooperation between teams. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. Thank you for listening my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.